If you're building a Shopify dropshipping store in 2026, choosing the right supplier can make or break your entire business. The difference between slow shipping, bad quality, and poor margins, and a store that actually scales profitably often comes down to who you work with. In this video, I'm going to show you the best dropshipping suppliers you can use right now based on real experience, real use cases, and what actually works today. We'll break down the pros, the cons, and which supplier is best depending on your experience level, so you can avoid costly mistakes and move faster. Okay, so let's start with the first best supplier for 2026 that can help you create a dropshipping clothing brand in seconds. EPROLO. EPROLO streamlines the entire dropshipping process by handling everything from global product sourcing and inventory management to seamless order fulfillment. After doing a lot of research on fashion product suppliers, I found that EPROLO to be an amazing platform to work with. One of the best things I like about it is that there are no subscription fees. You get full access to professional sourcing, automated fulfillment tools, and a huge product database all in one place. Now, one common issue I've heard from many dropshippers working with fashion suppliers is uncertainty about product quality and shipping times. This is exactly where EPROLO solves the problem. All the products in their catalog are carefully vetted by their team, which ensures good quality. And when it comes to shipping, it's very reliable and fast. After the sale, the order can be fulfilled automatically, and the tracking number will be added automatically as well. Plus, if you're mainly targeting the US market, EPROLO also offers products that are shipped directly from US warehouses, which can significantly improve delivery times for a 3 to 7 day shipping time. And when it comes to product returns, EPROLO offers a 7-day no questions asked return policy on all clothing products. And if we're talking about building trust with your customers, this is definitely something that can help them feel more confident when making a purchase decision. Now, let me tell you why I decided to include this supplier as one of the top Shopify dropshipping suppliers for 2026. So here you can see the app from my side. And the first thing I like is how easily I can add fashion products directly to my store. So first, the interface is straightforward and to the point. I can see the process of this service. Install EPROLO app, connect your store, find product, import first product to your store, and then the orders are fulfilled by EPROLO. Now here you can find a wide range of products from the fashion world, not just clothing. As you can see, there's also a huge collection of phone accessories as well as dog and baby fashion items. And of course, the prices are very competitive. So let's take a look at what fashion products we can find and add to our store. I'll go into the new arrival apparel section, which has over 3,000 new items added weekly. Let's check this product here. V-neck long-sleeved cardigan sweater. Right away, I can see all of the important details. Available colors and sizes, shipping methods, shipping costs to different countries. For example, shipping to the US can take around 7 to 10 days. If I want to offer faster shipping with a processing time of 2 to 3 business days. And honestly, for an international supplier, 7 to 10 days is considered fast shipping. Now, even with that fast shipping, the total sourcing cost is only $26.25, including shipping. This gives us great room for profit, even if we sell this product for around $49, which is almost double the sourcing price we are looking on. Once I decided I want to add this product to my store, the process is very simple. I just click Add to Import List, then Import to Store. And that's it. The product is now available in my store. From here, all I need to do is set my desired price and adjust the product description if needed. So as you can see, this is a supplier that can make your dropshipping operation much easier and more secure. And if you want to scale your business, you can also explore custom branding options like branded packaging, custom labels, and more, which allows you to transform your store from a simple dropshipping setup into a fully developed brand using EPROLO. So to conclude, I would definitely give this supplier a 5-star rating, mainly because it's built specifically for dropshipping. The product selection is huge and constantly updated. And most importantly, it gives you the ability to scale your business. With features like custom branding, packaging, and product labeling, you can easily transition from a simple dropshipping store into a fully branded e-commerce business. And that's what makes EPROLO not just a supplier, but a real long-term partner for growth. If you'd like to try EPROLO, which I highly recommend, you can find a link in the comments below to install it for free on your Shopify store. Okay, so let's talk about the next top supplier for 2026 for Shopify Dropshipping, AliExpress. If you're looking for a reliable place to source products, AliExpress is one of the best options out there. With its dropshipping-friendly approach, seamless payment options, smooth transactions, and huge product variety, it's a top platform for expanding your inventory. Now, it's important to understand that AliExpress isn't a single supplier. It's a marketplace similar to Amazon. In the past, many people had concerns about long shipping times and inconsistent product quality, but today things have changed significantly. Here are some of the major improvements. First, faster shipping times. Orders that used to take 30 to 60 days can now arrive in as little as 1 to 2 weeks in many cases. Second, the AliExpress Choice Program. This is a curated selection of high-quality products with better pricing, faster shipping, and higher reliability. For example, take a look at this product. This is an AliExpress Choice item. Products with this badge often include free shipping over $10, and for items under $10, shipping is usually around $1.99, which is still very affordable. Third, better product standards. AliExpress has improved seller quality by removing low-performing sellers and focusing on more reliable vendors. So overall, with better shipping, improved quality, and competitive pricing, AliExpress remains one of the best marketplaces for dropshippers today. Now, here are a few important recommendations before sourcing a product. Focus on AliExpress choice products or items with strong reviews. For example, check out this product. Even though it's not labeled as choice, it has a 5-star rating, 35 reviews, and over 400 sales. Strong indicators of quality. Always verify shipping times. For instance, this same product ships in around 8 to 14 days, which is a solid time frame for dropshipping. Also, make sure to check out the seller's reputation directly on the product page. And scroll down to see the feedback percentage, followers, and detailed reviews. By combining high ratings, reasonable shipping times, and trusted sellers, you can confidently source high-quality products for your store. These days, many top Shopify dropshipping stores rely almost entirely on AliExpress, generating impressive sales and revenue. So if you're just starting out and even scaling your business, AliExpress is definitely a smart choice. Now, here's the best part. You can combine AliExpress with ZIK Analytics to make your sourcing process even easier. Just go to ZIK, click on Quick Settings, and select AliExpress as your source website. This allows the product finder to show you exact or similar products that your competitors are already selling. For example, I found a Shopify store that sells this product, the shock-proof armor case with ring stand. When I clicked the AliExpress icon, I instantly got multiple sourcing options. From what I can see, the product can be sourced for $4.50 to $6.50 while being sold for $19.99, leaving a strong profit margin. That's why AliExpress remains one of the most powerful suppliers for dropshipping in 2026. So after all of my research, I've concluded to give AliExpress 4.5 stars. The product selection is huge, almost unlimited, and the customer service is solid, mainly because of the AliExpress AliExpress guarantee, which prioritizes buyers and adds an extra layer of protection. The only reason I'm taking off half a star is because you still need to carefully choose the right products and suppliers with good reviews, but honestly, it's not difficult. As you've seen, once you know what to look for, the whole sourcing process becomes much easier and much more reliable. Before we move on to the next supplier in the list that can completely upgrade your dropshipping workflow, if you found this video helpful, take 2 seconds to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. And if you want to find and validate winning products based on data for your dropshipping business, you can start using ZIK today. The next supplier on our list is Shein.com. Shein works as both a supplier and a marketplace, offering products sold by Shein itself as well as third-party sellers. While Shein was originally known for affordable fashion, it has expanded significantly. Today, the platform offers everything from clothing to electronics and home goods, and it's clear Shein is aiming to become something similar to AliExpress. So why is Shein a top dropshipping supplier? First, affordable prices. Shein's fashion items are often cheaper and more diverse compared to other suppliers like AliExpress. Second, frequent discounts. Even though the prices are already low, Shein regularly offers additional discounts through product pages and banners across the site. Third, improved shipping and quality. Shipping times are relatively fast in most cases, and over time, the quality of Shein's products has improved significantly. Now, here's a pro tip when working with Shein. Since Shein is also a marketplace, it's important to check product reviews and seller reputation, just like you would on AliExpress. For example, this product has clear ratings and reviews. By clicking on the seller's name, you can view their full profile and detailed feedback. It helps you make sure you're working with a reliable seller. Overall, this platform is ideal if you're mainly looking to source affordable fashion items, since that's where Shein really stands out. But I also recommend exploring other categories. You might find products priced even better than on AliExpress. So why is Shein great for dropshipping? If you're focusing mainly on fashion dropshipping, Shein is a fantastic choice. It offers stylish products, good quality, and decent customer service. For independent stores, especially in the fashion niche, Shein is a great option. The products are visually appealing, come with high quality images, and the low prices make it easier to achieve strong profit margins. To sum it up, I would give Shein 4 stars. Like AliExpress, the product selection is huge, but when it comes to shipping, I would still recommend combining it with suppliers like AliExpress, which has slightly more established shipping options. That said, Shein still offers a very solid shipping process, but from my experience, AliExpress is just a bit more mature in that area. Now let's talk about the last supplier on our list, CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping has a lot of advantages for Shopify dropshippers. So let's quickly break down why people use it in the first place. One big advantage is faster shipping. CJ has warehouses in the US, Europe, and Asia. So instead of waiting 2 to 4 weeks, like with AliExpress, customers can often receive their orders in about 7 to 12 days. That alone can significantly improve customer satisfaction and reduce refunds. Another strong benefit is product sourcing. If you find a winning product somewhere else, CJ can actually source it for you. That means you're not limited to what's already listed. You can scale faster and even find better suppliers than your competitors. CJ also integrates directly with Shopify. You can import products with one click, automate order fulfillment, and provide real-time tracking updates to your customers. This means less manual work and more time to focus on marketing and growth. On top of that, CJ helps you build a real brand. You can add your logo, customize packaging, and include inserts. So instead of looking like a generic dropshipping store, you start building something more professional and long-term. And finally, pricing. CJ offers often better product costs and discounts as you scale, which leads to higher profit margins once you start getting constant sales. But here's the downside. I wouldn't consider CJ a beginner-friendly platform for Shopify sellers. The platform can feel overwhelming at first. The interface isn't very clean, product variations can be confusing, and sometimes you'll need to handle things manually, like submitting sourcing requests or double-checking order details. And when you're just starting out, that complexity can slow you down. Instead of focusing on testing products and getting your first sale, you might get stuck trying to figure out how everything works. So while CJ is powerful, it's usually better suited for people who already understand the basics of dropshipping, not complete beginners. Because of that, I would give CJ Dropshipping a solid 4 out of 5, mainly because if you're a complete beginner, starting with something simpler like AliExpress to gain experience might actually be the smarter move. So, as you can see, each supplier has its own strengths, and the right choice really depends on your strategy and experience level. If you're just getting started, simplicity and speed matter most. If you're scaling, then things like branding, automation, and margins become more important. The key is not just picking a supplier, but choosing the one that fits where you are right now in your dropshipping journey. If you want to take it a next step further and actually find winning products backed by real data, don't forget you can use ZIK Analytics to do exactly that. And if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.